Let's hope for the best. Hello, guys, what's up? Hi. So, I've come live today after a very long time, and I realized that I have not seen you guys in a very long time. So, today's session is going to be some fun session because I will have somebody come over, and today we'll do something different. We will not interview people, we will not ask them questions, we will not ask them things to do for us. Actually, we will ask them to do something for us, which is writing a song with me. So, आज on my live, what we're going to do is we're going to write a song. Okay? And you guys are going to help me write the song. Okay? So, this is going to be fun because it's totally purely experimental. तो ज़्यादा जज मत करना और ज़्यादा स्मार्ट बनने की कोशिश मत करना. I'm just kidding. So, if you guys are willing to help me write a song today, it'll be pretty cool. So, what we'll do is we'll write down the lyrics of the song and then we are later on going to add a beat to it. ठीक है? Do you like the idea? If yes, put your thumbs up quickly and send me a lot of hearts. बहुत सारे hearts चाहिए मेरे को. हाँ, और. Okay, Anmol Jalan is helping me. All right. Who all are gonna help me? Put your hands up. हम लोग एक मस्त वाला गाना बनाएंगे. ये. Good. I'm getting all thumbs up. People are going to help me write a song today on my live. Alright? And I am going to try and take somebody live with me who can help me out write this song. Are you guys ready? I hope it comes out good. Yes. Hello?
Hi.
Hi. I can't see your face though.
Just a second. I'm gonna put a filter first.
That's a filter and all. Oh, let me also
Got
put a
to
filter.
put the filter every time I come on your live, Melvin. What's up?
Yes. Welcome, Ketika Sharma, to my live streaming of writing a song with Melvin Lewis. It's going to be fun today. I'm going to write a song with you,
All right.
and you have to help me
No,
out write the song. So
everyone's
this is how it
gonna
goes. It's very
help us.
easy. Listen. So basically, the song is not something that you have to worry about because I will turn it into a song. Anything and everything that you say during this conversation can be used in the song.
Okay.
All right. So
All
if you
right.
don't succeed in writing the song, I will turn this conversation into a song. But something that we
All right.
do today is going to be turned into a song. All
All
right.
right. Done. Sounds
Cool.
exciting.
Sounds
Yeah.
exciting. All right. So we're
Yeah.
going to write a song with Ketika Sharma today, everybody. And you guys can prompt.
Yay.
So Ketika has to give us the first line or something to begin with. किससे शुरुआत करें हम लोग? क्या हम लोग हिंदी में लिखें, इंग्लिश में लिखें? मतलब what language do you want to write it in? Or we'll keep it both. We'll keep it English.
आज की शाम वाइन के नाम.
आज की शाम वाइन के नाम. This should be the
Yes.
first line of the song.
That's the first line. Come on, Melvin Lewis. आज की शाम के नाम. That's the first line.
Are you serious? Okay. I'm seriously writing that down. Do you want to reconsider?
I'm serious. I don't want to reconsider. That's the first line.
आज की शाम वाइन के नाम. Hey,
Look at his nervous expressions. People are gonna help us. See, people down there are gonna help us. They're gonna give us terms and words.
guys, you have to give a rhyming line now to this. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम. आज
That's
की
the
शाम वाइन के
first
नाम.
line of our song.
It's funny. आज की शाम. It's challenging also, यार. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम. You've already rhymed it.
आज की शाम वाइन के नाम. You come up with the next line.
Guys, help me with the next line. What will rhyme with आज की शाम वाइन के नाम?
Come on,
यार,
Melvin.
difficult है यार. You wanna consider this line?
Come on. Huh?
You wanna consider this line? You wanna
You
reconsider
want me
this
to
line?
change it?
Like, give me an option so that people also get an option.
Somebody's written Corona hai badnaam. I'm
आज
going to
की
write that line and
शाम
use it somewhere. Corona hai badnaam.
Corona है बदनाम. But see, we are again like getting it to the same thing. Yeah. We got to cut the chase. You know what I'm saying? We got to
Okay.
move away from. We got to
तू
move away
मेरी
from
ग्लास
long
मैं
time.
तेरा जाम. Somebody's written तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम. All right. It's ig_shivam.exe. I'll take that line. तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम.
तू
क्या
मेरी
बात.
ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम.
वाह वाह. Your turn, Ketika. So everybody who is giving me lines, I'm writing you guys profile names also. I'll give you all end credits.
My turn, Melvin.
Yeah, your turn. So it goes so far. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम.
I have no work, so drinking is my only calm. That's the
No,
next
it doesn't
line.
work. No,
Come on, come on.
it's not
Melvin,
working.
it's
What?
working.
This is.
Yeah. This
Come
is
on.
fun.
What? What? What is the
I
line?
have no work, so drinking is my only calm.
No, it doesn't go with the line. आज
Why
की शाम
doesn't it
वाइन
go?
के नाम. It's forceful.
There are no
Uh,
rules for this.
Of course, it has to rhyme at least, or if not
Okay.
rhyme, at least like the number of words you use cannot be like 12
All
to
right.
get one
Okay.
last to one.
Let's listen to how it is.
So right now it goes as आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम.
Uh-huh.
It's turning into a rap. हाँ, go on.
I have no work, so drinking is my calm. It's going, yeah.
So improvise on that. Got no work, so
I got no work, so drinking is my only calm.
no.
Calm.
I'm thinking. I've not taken it yet.
See, you can't not take it since I am also an equal active member in this game.
Fine.
Yeah,
आज की शाम वाइन
yeah,
के नाम
take
तू
it.
मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम. No. Say that again.
What are people saying? Like, we are playing it with everybody, so we have to take their lines also.
People are writing. I'm also reading. Somebody's written तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम. I like that
Right.
more.
Take.
Yeah.
It's
One
good.
second, we'll use that. तू जितनी शरीफ.
You should take his or her name.
Yeah. So Shweta 7054 has written तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम. I like this.
Yeah, it's good.
वाह.
Mhm.
Shweta 7054. Okay. Next.
Mhm.
So far the song has progressed to आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम. लड़का लड़की दोनों में बहुत है चाम.
Yeah, that's nice.
विपुल केसवानी has written लड़का
हाँ.
लड़की दोनों में है बहुत चाम. You have to rhyme it, Vipul. Like your line is good, but let's work on the
हाँ.
line.
But it's good.
I'm gonna write Vipul's name. Vipul Keswani has given. All right. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरा ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम लड़का लड़की दोनों में बहुत चाम. Okay, we'll keep
दोनों
this
में
open
बहुत
for now.
charm.
But it is not going. Right now it's turning into poetry. We have to turn it into a song.
Okay, दोनों में है बहुत charm. My sleep cycle is so fucked. I got to put my alarm.
आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम.
Hilarious. Put it.
My sleep cycle what?
My sleep cycle is so fucked. I got to put my alarm.
My sleep cycle. We can't use the F word.
Come on, yeah. Effing kar do, effing. My sleep
My
cycle
sleep
is so
cycle-
effed. My sleep cycle is so effed. I gotta put my alarm. Let's go and read it out.
I gotta
Okay, let's listen to the song so far.
wake
It's
up.
sounding exciting.
I gotta, sorry, my sleep cycle is so effed.
I got to put my alarm.
I gotta put my alarm. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, for all of you who have contributed, आज की शाम वाइन के नाम, तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम,
Wow.
तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम. My sleep cycle is so नहीं जा रहा है यार.
Arey,
It's not
it
rhyming.
doesn't have to match, yeah.
No, what? My sleep
It
cycle
has
is
to
so
match.
no. The whole my sleep cycle is going down. So can we like reconsider this line?
Okay, what's the last line? लड़का लड़की दोनों में है charm, ना? That's the last
हाँ
line.
नहीं तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम लड़का
बदनाम.
लड़की दोनों में बहुत charm is the option that we have because it's
It's on
not going
standby.
it's on standby because the mood is going
Yeah.
somewhere else and the line is somewhere else so we can use this line eventually.
Okay, मैं उतना बदनाम. Then sleep cycle is going ना, because वो जितना बदनाम उतना late he's waking up in the morning. So
आज की
my sleep
शाम वाइन
cycle.
के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम. चाहे जितना करवा ले तू ये क्वारंटीन का काम.
No,
What? It's a nice line.
it's very blah.
अच्छा
Don't
ठीक
you
है.
all agree, you guys? They
अच्छा
agree
ठीक है.
with me.
कर लूं
See,
सारे तेरे.
we've got to cut the chase. We can't keep coming back to lockdown, quarantine.
अभी तेरे सारे काम अगर करना है किसी को तो फिर वो वैसे ही बोलेगा ना कि कर दूं तेरे सारे क्वारंटीन के काम. How will somebody else say
कर दूं
say
तेरे
differently?
सारे क्वारंटीन के काम. उठ
कर
ले
दूं सारे
पहले
नहीं.
बेटा, लगा ले अलार्म. This is good. This is good. This is
हाँ,
good. This is
this is
good.
a disaster.
This is good.
आज
You
की
write.
okay
You
fine.
write this.
ले गो स्लो. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम. अ, अ, कर लूं. Okay, I'm not writing quarantine word because you said deviate. कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम. I can write.
I've got to put some charger on.
Can I write कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम? Does that work?
Yeah, that works.
That works. सारे काम. Okay, done. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे नाम तेरे सारे
Yeah.
काम. Okay, done. Next.
That's when I said no. उठ ले पहले बेटा, लगा ले अलार्म.
उठ जा पहले बेटे पहले क्या.
उठ जा पहले
उठ
बेटा, लगा ले अलार्म.
बेटा लगा ले अलार्म. वाह वाह. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम. उठ जा पहले बेटे लगा ले अलार्म. So now we are going into the girl verse. So now all the next three lines have to be the girl verse. So from here it begins. उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म. Next line.
अपने आप को मत समझ अब्दुल कलाम. I think that's nice.
You just can't write names like that. उठ जा पहले
Okay.
बेटे. Why are we rhyming everything in this song?
We don't have to rhyme it.
Yeah, like not like end to end. We are only going naam, jam, badnaam, kaam, alarm. We can
Okay,
be
we can put
different, you
anything.
know.
Okay, so we can put something
Wait, wait,
like,
wait, now, wait. Let's finish this verse in the rhyme and then we'll change the mood, okay?
okay.
मैं तेरा बाबू तू मेरी जान. वाह. Jan and alarm won't go together. Sorry. Who's written that? Anish Goel. Sorry.
But we've already done.
We've already done what?
Someone written झाड़ू पोछा है करना लगता है अब ये
आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम, तू
काम
जितनी
आना
शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम, कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम। उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म। उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म। होना नहीं तुझसे कुछ कोई भी काम। ठीक है।
ओहो
आर यू देयर?
someone has written कर देश का नाम रोशन और तू भी बन जा अब्दुल कलाम। वाह वाह।
इट डजंट राइम। उठ जा पहले बेटे लगा ले अलार्म। होना नहीं तुझसे कोई भी काम। होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम। ठीक है।
See, it's not interesting because the first line was कर लूं मैं तेरे सारे काम।
So
Now
that's what
again
ना तो
होना नहीं
so
तुझसे
that's
कोई
what
भी
you're
काम।
telling, so that's what you're saying, that उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म। होना नहीं वरना
Alarm. So you
sorry
can't bring it back to that. You've got to change it.
you
This
change it,
last line
change
is
it.
this last line is rejected.
उठ जा पहले बेटे लगा ले अलार्म। Give the next line now.
But you're supposed to give the next line.
I gave the
Take
next
help
line, you
from
rejected
people.
it, now you give the next line.
Take help from people. They're sending very good things. But no calm, you guys.
उठ जा
Oh
पहले
yeah.
बेटा लगा ले
मेरे
अलार्म।
मेरे मेरे सिर
What?
में इतना दर्द मेरे सिर में इतना दर्द मुझे चाहिए झंडू बाम। That's good. That's good. That's good.
उठ जा पहले बेटे लगा ले अलार्म। मेरे सर में इतना दर्द क्या झंडू बाम। What?
Harleen, so nice of you. Thank you. I love all the songs you do with Melvin, all the dances you do with him. I think you guys are my
Harleen is live.
favorite.
Yeah, Harleen, what's up? Harleen, please help us write this song. We are doing this
Yeah.
episode on writing a song with me online. So far the rhyme is आज की शाम वाइन के नाम. This is the guy part of it. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम, तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम, तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम, कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम. Then the girl starts singing. उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम is what I wrote, which you rejected. It actually goes with the mood.
तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम। तू
You're going back
तू
again.
तू बंदी है लिट मैं बंदा हर। Listen, someone. Listen, Melvin.
हाँ.
Oh my god. It's very. Ketika is like. Nestle.
Ketika, you're deviated, man. Completely
Okay,
deviated. We'll
sorry,
not finish the
sorry.
song in a day for sure.
We're gonna get back to this.
We're losing time. We can't have like a 2-hour episode of this.
All right. So how far have we reached?
उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म. That was the last one. You keep reading. We'll do this tomorrow again.
You can't be depending on me. Like that's the last.
If
time
you
I'm
had to
depending on
read,
me.
I would directly ask the people and ask them to write. No.
No, but the people are helping us.
No. People are helping me. You have to be the one giving the lines.
Okay, so I told you. तुमसे
You
बात
can't
करके इतना तुमसे बात करके इतना सिर में दर्द है मुझे चाहिए झंडू बाम. That's the line.
Write it. Like these 10 words to rhyme one word in the end, which is your 11th word. Amazing.
Okay, I'll cut the line. You're giving me a headache. Give me some झंडू बाम instead.
So we can always use that in the third line because it says उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम. I'm going to use it. And फिलहाल दे दे मुझे.
Headache की
दे.
जगह झंडू बाम.
फिलहाल दे दे मुझे वो झंडू बाम. यह झंडू बाम in the song. Wow. उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम, फिलहाल दे दे मुझे वो झंडू बाम. It's very long. फिलहाल दे दे मुझे is very long.
But
Keep it
how
short.
do you? But we can change the paragraph to how do you feel about?
You're not understanding. It's a song. You just can't write a song and then there is nobody singing it.
Okay, who's singing it? You?
You. उठ जा पहले
How
बेटा
is-
लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम. I'll tell you how you're going to sing it. फिलहाल दे दे मुझे वो झंडू बाम. नहीं, it's not going. It's very long.
Alarm. Who has used the word filhal? You have added the word
Wait,
filhal.
somebody's written आजा लगा ले झंडू बाम. नहीं, ला दे दे मुझे झंडू बाम. ना कर और मुन्नी को बदनाम. शुरू करो अंताक्षरी लेके प्रभु का नाम.
I think that's nice. I think that's nice.
It's nice, but it doesn't go. It needs to go. We can remember these lines and later on add them.
I don't understand when this song, when you had told me in the beginning, this song, the game is not supposed to make sense.
I know, but it
Right?
has to rhyme. Otherwise, how will you translate it into a rhyme or a song? I mean, come on. There has to be a base.
Okay.
You can't be like, I'm going to climb and then you jump into the water.
Okay. मैं तेरा हूँ, मैं तेरा झंडू तू मेरी बाम. That's a good line. Huh?
Arey, it has to be reversed. The girl is singing it.
Oh, तू मेरी राधा मैं तेरा श्याम.
I like that
Love
line.
it. I love it.
What is that? तू
तू
मेरी?
मेरी राधा मैं तेरा श्याम. This has
Who
been
said that?
given. This line is by Morgan to
Spell it
Monk.
out. Spell it out.
Morgan to Monk. Morgantomonk. Morgan to
G-A-N.
Monk.
M-O-R-G-A-N. Next.
Tomonk.
T-O-M-O-N.
Morgan to Monk.
To Monk. अच्छा, Morgan to Monk. Okay.
Yeah.
तू मेरी राधा मैं तेरा श्याम. क्या? तू मेरी राधा मैं तेरा श्याम is the guy singing. You have to sing, do it like the मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा श्याम.
Yeah, ऐसे कर दो.
For a disaster. We've written a disaster. Okay, मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरी शाम. Next.
अरे यार, I spilled the goddamn wine on my bed.
Wow.
Not good.
अभी now you can add the झंडू बाम line. उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम. Next line is going to be what?
Next line is going to be, you tell me.
You gotta tell me.
I give you this line. I'm giving you all the lines. You've
Oh,
got to come up with some creativity. You've got to come up with some
Please, now, come on.
creativity, Melvin.
I'm good. I'm doing a great job at this. You're
just
scrambling.
writing. That's what you're doing.
The only people who are doing a great job is the audience right now. They've contributed to most of these lines. We've had Shivam contribute.
Okay.
We have Shweta. We had Vipul with a great idea which we did not use, but thanks Vipul. And then we have Morgan to Monk. मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरी शाम. And then
मैं तेरी राधा.
okay, listen to the flow. Listen to the flow. Don't go wrong on the flow.
Listen, I'm giving you the next line. मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरी शाम.
तू
And
मेरा
trust me-
शाम. What is मेरी शाम?
नहीं, हाँ, मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम. I'm not trying to rhyme this with the Coca-Cola song.
I'm trying to rhyme it exactly like. You can use the word jam now to finish it.
Jam.
नहीं, jam we already used. तू मेरी क्लास मैं तेरा जाम is already used. मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम.
When I look at you flex, I go damn. I think that's good. Listen, I'm trying to come up with the best lines. You're not taking any line.
I laughed so hard. Inside. Because
Listen, I think that was good. Yeah, just take it.
no, you can use the Jandu Bam line. I just said it.
I can use the
People are
Jandu
writing
Bam line.
कोरोना के चक्कर में सबका काम तमाम. No, you can use Jandu Bam now. उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम. मैं तेरा राधा तू मेरा शाम. Next. Apply. Use Jandu Bam in the next line.
You want me to say Jandu Bam now?
Yes, I want you to say Jandu Bam rhyming this line.
Okay, don't give me a headache. Just give me some Jhandu balm. That's going.
मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शान, don't give me headache, pass me the Jandu Balm. That's how you want it?
Yeah, don't give me a headache. Instead, don't give me a headache. Give me some Jhandu balm. That's good.
No, yeah, don't give me a headache, give me some Jandu Balm are two different things.
Or
It's
or
not
or, or
relevant.
let's say, give me some flex and I'll go down, down, down.
नहीं, somebody's written, चलो आ जाओ live on Instagram.
This is good.
चलो आ जाओ
Credit,
live.
credit,
Oh, who's
credit.
this person written credit, yeah. Selfie queen underscore 1203.
That's hilarious.
चलो आ जाओ live on Instagram. Insta. I have to write double A.
Instagram.
Gram also double A. All right,
Gram.
Instagram. All right, we got Instagram with a double A, everybody. So this is how it goes. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम, तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम, तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम, कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम, उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम, मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम, चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
I think that's a good enough song. We don't have to go further. It completes on Instagram. Now,
Really, we have 8 lines right now. It's good
done,
enough.
done. 8 lines are good enough. This is the first time you're doing this game. Now we should make a song out of this.
Only on these 8 lines.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. We'll do that.
Yeah, let's go.
You don't want to do another verse? Let's do the chorus at least. You don't need a chorus.
Now we need a chorus.
No, if you don't need a chorus, it's okay. We can have a
We need a
can have a song.
chorus. We need a chorus. Have another song.
Huh?
Another
Somebody's
verse.
written somebody's written Dhoom Machale Abraham.
I think this is the chorus. I think this is the chorus. Dhoom Machale
Dhoom
sounds
Machale.
like John Abraham. That's good. I like it.
I'm done. Wait up. I'm just writing Dhoom Machale.
Credits.
Dhoom Machale.
Who's that guy who gave the line? Who's the guy?
I don't know. I just need to check. One second. Where's the Dhoom Machale guy? That's KNL 19. Dhoom Machale. Abraham. Wow. We're going to use this as a spare. I don't know if it'll go, but we'll try. Oh my God. My eyes are watering. I've laughed my guts out. I never thought it's going to be this funny, but it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun. Now, let's sing it.
Huh? We can't sing it right now. We have to record it. You need to send me audio notes singing it.
Are we gonna add a tune to this?
Of course, Aaj Ki Shaam. We also need to like make little changes, which will be addition of
What's
words
the
or
what's the first line? Aaj ki shaam wine ke naam, na?
yeah, like but we'll try and work because I think there needs to be a word added there to set the mood right, which we will do. आज की शाम हाँ ठीक है आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम धूम मचा ले एब्रा out of nowhere we have that I don't even think it rhymes KNL 19 I don't know if we can use Dhoom Machale but it's a very great line you cracked us up but we need another chorus line guys come on we need a chorus line
Someone said Corona go wala dance.
no Karuna be so annoying I don't want to use its name anywhere
Yeah, me too. I love you, Ketika. Tu meri jaan. Someone has written.
तू
I
मेरी
like
जान नहीं
that.
सिर्फ मेरी जान लिखा है
I like that.
हाँ
So meri when he's written I love you, Ketika, it means tu meri jaan. It means मैं तेरी. It means I'm his jaan.
fine Rocky
Yeah.
underscore sing underscore 90 Just got it. Fine. What else? I think we are good enough. We just need like a hook.
A hook.
Like a hook. Like one line, which is the hook. We
Hare
just need one
Ram,
line.
Hare Ram,
No, 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 no,
Hare
no, please.
Krishna, Hare
Be
Ram.
original, please, 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 please. What? One
I'm
last line,
thinking.
guys. What can be the chorus, guys? Guys, where is the chorus? We need the chorus.
So sweet.
Okay, I'll read it out again for everybody. आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम कर लूं अकेले तेरे
Yeah.
सारे काम उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम उसके बाद व्हाट इज द कोरस गाइस वेयर इज द कोरस वी नीड द कोरस धूम मचा ले
I think. Yeah, that's the chorus. Doom,
we can't
Doom
but
Machale.
Abraham is
Abraham.
different
That's the chorus.
Abraham Instagram Abraham is very different sounding
Please say na.
it's not
Doom
no
Machale.
no
Doom
no
Machale.
no we can't mock anybody
We are
Doom
not
Machale
mocking
Abraham
nobody.
yeah like Doom Machale is John Abraham yeah come on I'm his fan I can't like
No,
use
I'm
Abraham
his
as
fan too. I'm his
uh,
fan too. Looks like my brother.
how did your brother get into this conversation Abraham we can't do Abraham
Come on, what can we do? What can we do? I'm so blanked out right now. Is anybody going to?
I don't know everybody's like stopped on that guys come on get creative we need a hook to
We
this
need a
song
hook. We need a hook, which you're gonna sing in the beginning and the end.
somebody's written let's meet up there's no harm
That's the hook, is it?
no we can't go that as a hook has to be funny
I
hey
think
we
the hook should just be damn, 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 damn. It should just be damn, damn. I'm telling you, that should be the hook.
it can't be damn is still different sounding than
Damn, 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 damn.
no
It has to be.
it has a very low to it we don't want a low on this song
It won't be low. It'll sound funny.
no not approved come on Kitika you gotta give us a hook
What's the last line? Tell me the last line. Tell me the last line, Melvin.
चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम
Chalo aa jao live on Instagram. Damn, 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 damn. It's going down. Okay. Aa jao live
it's
on
not good
Instagram. Gram. Aa jao live on Instagram. Ooh, oh, I got a cramp. Ooh, I got a cramp.
वाह मतलब फोर्सफुल राइमिंग जो हो रहा है इस वक्त मतलब the actual songwriters will be giving us galis right now Jhandu Bam
Instagram.
we can use
Yo, back to the
come
Jhandu
on
Bam.
come on but we've not used Jhandu Bam anywhere you can use it now Instagram no gram is a different word to rhyme with मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आगे the entire mood has to be one word now
Pani puri or jam. Somebody
no
has
we
said.
don't
So
go
we can work around that.
pani puri and jam gram it's on a not a
Okay.
wrong it's wrong
It's on gram. Instagram. Gram, not gram. So we can end it on This
how
is the season of come
go
on,
on
yeah, help.
go on I'm listening I'm listening I'm listening I'm listening I'm listening come on go for it You're also blank, no? Thinking what to rhyme. कर ले बातें सुबह शाम, नहीं यार, कर ले बातें सुबह शाम नहीं जाए. चलो आजा लाइव ऑन
This
इंस्टाग्राम.
is the season of Rasile Aam. Yes.
Not for a chorus. It could be a
Aja
line.
live on Instagram. Aja live on Instagram.
हाँ. Go for it.
Aja live on Instagram.
I'm gonna repeat it again. Okay, just so that you're losing track of the mood. Let me
Okay.
get this again. So this is आज की शाम वाइन के नाम, तू मेरी ग्लास मैं
Okay.
तेरा जाम, तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम, कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम. This is the guy part. The girl sings, उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम, मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम, चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. Now next chorus is what? Uh, I think the chorus has to be on filters. What do you think?
I don't know. As
I
in,
think filters. I think filters will do a great job. What do you think? Can you hear me?
okay,
Like filters, something around filters, Instagram filters. So you use the word only filters because you mentioned chalo aa jao live on Instagram. So then now you have to use the word filters as your chorus because that's where you brought the song to.
filters. So we have to incorporate filters in the chorus.
Yeah, so filters is one word that needs to be in the chorus.
Okay. Filter. Aja live on Instagram. Filter.
Yeah, anything around filter
Filter.
or maybe without filter, whatever. Somebody saying use gibberish. We can't use gibberish. Gibberish is a different word. Chalo aja live. Maybe when we give the lyrics out of this song, we'll give it in gibberish.
Gibberish.
चलो आजा लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Gibberish.
ओके, आज की शाम वाइन के नाम, तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम, तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम, कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम, उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म, होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम, मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम, चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Damn, yeah. Then we should do damn. Period.
What is damn.
That's the ending. That's the chorus.
चलो आजा लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. damn.
It's perfect.
Are you serious?
Instagram gibberish. We go damn.
You're trying so hard. Like it's worth the effort. Everybody, please, you have to give it up. Everybody needs to clap for Ketika because she's doing such a brilliant job.
Filters. We go damn.
Damn.
We got the music.
We got the music going. No. चलो आजा लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Can we just end the song?
No,
yeah?
we can't. We have to be serious about this. Somebody's written लगा के filter मेरी जान. It's close. See? चलो
लगा
आजा
के
लाइव ऑन
filter
इंस्टाग्राम.
मेरी जान. Gibberish का competition कर ले.
चलो आजा लाइव ऑन
Huh?
इंस्टाग्राम.
Show a vibe in the live.
नहीं पता. चलो आजा भाई. I'm waiting. चलो
What are
मिलके
you
ज्ञान.
waiting for?
चलो मिलके गाएं हरे राम. No. Cool.
I
केतिका
gave
की
that
वजह
to
सुन
you
रहा हूँ.
earlier.
Cool. You have your fans.
Ew.
चलो मचाएगा शोर. नहीं
Guess
यार.
the gibberish और क्या है काम?
चलो अब कर लो काम. नहीं
Do the
यार.
don't rush challenge and keep the calm.
सब मिलके बोलो जय श्री राम. नहीं यार.
लगा कि फिल्टर मेरी जान, मत बनो जोरू का गुलाम.
नहीं यार. मेलविन फिल्टर फ्री यू आर अ चार्म. नहीं यार. मतलब we are getting close to it but you not cracked it yet. You know, you guys are doing a great job. Everybody's doing a great job. We need to but crack this. Come on. आ जाओ मचाए धूमधाम. हम्म चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. Uh, how about using the phrase in a manner? I don't know exactly how will it sound, but you apply filters and then you also apply Jhandu Balm, so we can make a combination of both. You're
Oh
thoroughly
yeah,
reading everybody.
someone
Huh?
has given a good. Someone has
Huh.
said, let's go for a long drive to Gurugram. So you can say, I'm from Navi from Mumbai and you're from Gurugram, something like that. Huh? That's funny. Because think about it, you're from
It's a
Navi
great line.
Mumbai.
It's a great line,
I'm
but it's a
from
line. It's
Delhi.
not a chorus line. It's not a chorus line.
Bandit to Gurugram, है गरम काम, मेरा नाम on Instagram. Come on, yeah. Can you seriously? Seriously, I'm like,
I'm just gonna go back to the song again because you've deviated. Uh, आज की शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम मैं तेरी राधा
Melvin
तू मेरा
first.
शादा शाम में
हाँ.
चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम व्हाट इज अ हुक वी डोंट हैव अ हुक येट
Melvin, say hi to Narnu. Naraini has come joined our live. Say hi to Naraini.
हाय नारायणी हाय why you like dominating
Because
what to
she's my
say
best
hi to
friend.
say so you can say nicely also say hi to my friend I can just say
Okay.
हाँ somebody's written
Narnu,
लगा दूं
Narnu,
सारे
can you
filter तेरे
help?
नाम
Huh?
somebody's written कर दूं सारे filter तेरे नाम
Instagram is also popular in Amsterdam. Yeah. Yeah, like nice.
somebody's written Preeti Kumari says let's just go Jinga Lala hoo hoo we
Narnu,
can't
we
go
need a
Jinga Lala
line.
hoo नहीं जरूरत तुझे फिल्टर की ओरिजिनल है तेरा चार्म it is too long but it is too long who's that शीतल sorry it's a little long लगा के फिल्टर मेरी जान लेट्स ग्रूव बोल के दुनिया जहान नहीं यार इतना लंबा हुक नहीं हो सकता इट जस्ट हैज टू बी लाइक 4 or 5 words बंदे मेरे लाइफ की शाम कर ले मेरे नाल प्यार का जाम
We can
चलना है
be like,
शमशान अग्रवाल शमशान somebody just rhymed शमशान धूम मचा ले
maybe we could be like,
we have धूम मचा ले Abraham but Abraham is different sounding and Abraham is different
धूम मचाले, Abraham.
no we can't use it चलो आ जाओ live on Instagram
Aja live on Instagram. This is our original song. This is our original song game. Yeah, we
Nishay
should.
underscore 12 has said
Damn.
Nishay underscore 12 has said फिर खाएंगे वर्चुअल आम वो तो लॉकडाउन में ना
Aja
कोई
live on
काम आ जाओ लाइव ऑन
Instagram.
इंस्टाग्राम नहीं
I'm telling you, the best is.
we are stuck
Oh my
we
God,
need
we're
help
so damn. That's the best. I'm telling you.
it's not working it's not a chick song first of all secondly it's something that needs like a hook you just can't go like damn with intensity and trying to make it look cool it is not going to work
No, it's not gonna. It's not gonna go like this. It has to break the flow. It's gonna be like.
no
It's gonna be like, oh my God, damn. It's gonna be, it's gonna break the flow and then we get it.
no
Okay, fine.
damn is not going yeah
It's going, yeah.
it's not going
Let's go live on Instagram. Let's use some filters. Instagram. Gram.
fine we'll think of the chorus later I think we're done
Yeah.
for right
I
now.
think we're done for today. And are you sure you don't want to take any suggestions from here?
I,
Someone
I
says,
think
hire Dinchak Pooja. Selfie, my. She's
you did it well. You did well.
Selfie, mere tatang.
Please say that again. It was good. Go again. Go again. How did you do
I
that?
am
Do that
not
again.
here to mock anybody.
No, you're not
Okay?
mocking anybody. I'm just saying, like, sing it.
Selfie, मैंने ले ली. Selfie, mere tatang. I don't know the further lines. My brother. Listen, I'm sorry. Sorry, God. I'm not here to mock nobody. Yeah.
All right. I think we're
Agar
good
live
then.
on Instagram. I'll post your photos. Har
I'm
din,
gonna
har
one last
sham.
time.
Oh, yes. See, RK is a very talented guy, I know. And he has sent this line saying, Aja live on Instagram. I'll post your photos. Har din, har sham.
But
Yeah,
we've
that's
already used
good.
Sham.
Huh?
We've already used Sham. So we
We've
can't use
already
it
used
again.
sham.
Yeah. Let me read it out again for RK and the others. आज की
Hmm.
शाम वाइन के नाम तू मेरी ग्लास मैं तेरा जाम तू जितनी शरीफ मैं उतना बदनाम कर लूं अकेले तेरे सारे काम उठ जा पहले बेटा लगा ले अलार्म होना नहीं तुझसे वरना कोई भी काम मैं तेरी राधा तू मेरा शाम चलो आ जाओ लाइव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम That's it. I think we got it. I think our hook is Instagram. All right, we're gonna use
Yeah.
and loop Instagram.
Yeah. I think that's
All
what it
right,
is.
we got it. We got it. We got it.
छोड़ो सारे काम धाम.
No, I think we're good. Yeah, I think we got it. Guys, thank you so much everybody for all your help. This has been amazing.
I still feel like in the chorus we could be like, oh my God, we so damn. I just feel like that could look good, but anyway, that's up to you.
Ketika Sharma. It was fun writing a song with you, Ketika, and I think it's turned out very fun and cool and hilarious at the same time to everybody who has joined us. And I would just like to mention a few people who have been on this live and given us some of the lines. So we have ig.shivam.exe, sorry, ig_shivam. And then we have Shweta7054. We had Vipul Keswani's idea, but we couldn't use it. Then we had Morgan to Monk, and then we had Selfie Queen _1203, and KNL19. We did not use Dhoom Machale yet, but thank you everybody. It has been amazing watching you guys, and you guys have done a fabulous job in contributing to this song, and we'll hopefully try and add a beat to it soon and get this out for everybody to listen to. And Ketika, you've been amazing. Like, thank you so much
Thanks,
for
Melvin. It was so much fun coming
being a
live with
sport.
you.
Yeah, thank you for being a sport and joining me on writing a song. And this has been so much
Done.
of fun. And I
Yes.
will see you soon. Hopefully, you're fine. And I think it's time to leave this conversation right now because it's gone too long.
Bye.
I'll see you. Bye. Bye,
Bye.
everybody. I hope everybody had fun. So, guys, that was us trying to write a song. And tell me, please do DM me and give me feedback on if we should do this often. And I will probably try and write some more songs. But the song is not complete yet. The song needs to still be done properly because we're going to try and put a music beat to it. All right. So hopefully I will see you guys soon again. And I hope you enjoyed this call. And it was fun having all you people live. And take care. And until again, I will catch you guys soon. Bye.